Hey, what's up guys, you're watching G7 Tech and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the new Xiaomi Poco F1. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here we have the box. On the back side we have some details. So I have the steel blue 6GB and 64GB RAM variant. On the side we have the branding and I have the global version. So let me just quickly unbox the phone. And the specs of the phone are on the screen. On the top we have the silicone case and a user manual. The quality of the case is pretty decent and it's a transparent case. Here we have the warranty card. We get 2-year warranty for the phone and 6 months for the accessories. So let me just take out the phone from the box. Let me just quickly peel off the stickers. And in hand, the phone doesn't feel cheap. The build quality is not that bad. The blue color looks pretty good and it looks more premium than the normal black. So while the phone boots up, let me just give you the quick overview of the phone. On the back we have dual camera setup and the fingerprint sensor. On the top we have headphone jack and secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the right we have volume rockers and the power button. And on the left side we have SD card and SIM card slot. On the bottom we have the speaker grill, microphone grill and the Type-C charging port. The display of the phone is almost 6.2. Of course with the notch and round corners. The plastic quality looks pretty good, although it's not aluminium or glass back, but it feels pretty good for the price. So let me just quickly set up the device. Let's see what else do we get in the box. Here we have the Type-C USB cable and the power brick, and it's a fast charger. Yes, it's a fast charger including in the box. That's good for the price. So the setup is done. Let's see which UI do we get. And it's running on MIUI with Poco launcher. So let's just quickly check the camera. So here are some camera shots. So guys, that's it for this video. If you are interested in this device, make sure you subscribe the channel, because I'm going to upload more videos about this device, like how to unlock the bootloader, how to root this device, and I will test every custom ROM that will be available in future. So make sure you subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.